If you like to play games on your smartphone, then you'll find today's gadget that I have right here very useful, as this mobile clip will allow you to mount your phone on your Xbox controller and enjoy your favorite games handheld. So today we're gonna check the 8BitDo mobile clip for Xbox controllers and if it's a good choice to purchase. Now let's go and open it and see what's coming in the package. As we said before, the brand of this clip is 8BitDo and they produce different controllers and gadgets like this. This specific mobile clip for Xbox controllers is made and designed only for Xbox. Inside the package you'll find two clips, one for the Xbox One controllers and the Elite controllers, and this clip will have the A letter on it, and the other one with the B letter is the one for the new Xbox Series XS controllers. And of course inside you'll find also the manual with steps and instructions how to mount it. You can very easily change between A and B controller clips by unscrewing the two bolts on the sides. To put it on the controller, you just slide it in the middle of it, you fit the top side first and then the lower side, and it clips tightly and secure. You can very easily adjust the positioning of the clip by tighten or loose the screws on the side. To put a phone, you just push the top side and the clip is expandable, so fit your phone there and this mount will press your phone holding it tightly. You can fit there a smartphone with max width of 86mm and the smallest 49mm. At the end, any ordinary smartphone will fit perfectly. I tried my Samsung S9 Plus here and also an iPhone 12 and both mounted with no problem. Playing games with a smartphone mounted on your controller is amazing. It actually feels like you have a new gaming device like those portable handheld Nintendos or PSPs. I tried couple mobile games like Asphalt 8, Roblox, Monitor, and Stumble Guys, and I have so much fun playing with this setup. And we must agree here that controller gives you a better and more accurate control over the touchscreen of your smartphone. If you're a mobile gamer, then this is the perfect solution, and also if you're on a budget, this setup is actually very affordable as you need only one Xbox controller and the mount. Supposedly you own a smartphone already. Currently it costs around $15 here on Amazon.com, and also it charges you for the shipping. It charged me $13 to ship it to Cyprus. The delivery also from Amazon was incredibly fast. On Friday I ordered it and 3 days later on Monday it arrived. I will include the link from Amazon in the description below so you can check it out. The only big disappointment is that not all mobile games support controllers. So for example, I tried PUBG Mobile and Asphalt 9 the new and it doesn't work. Let me know which games do you play on your smartphone and if they have controller support. Write it down in the comment section below. For more videos and how we connect our smartphone with our Xbox controller, check the videos right here.